Hi guys, welcome to Calm Parents, Confident Kids. My name is Charity Nicole, and I just want to say thank you so much for purchasing our book. First of all, we are so thrilled to have you here, and not even sure what I want to say. I've got like this hodgepodge in my head, I thought about it, and what I really want to talk about is I want to expound on my message that I wrote in the book, okay? And it's about balancing perfection versus mediocrity, okay? And frankly, this is something I've been thinking about a lot in life, okay? And I just want to let you guys know as you're watching my video that this is a little behind the scenes moment for you, since you decided to take your time out to actually watch my video, right? I feel like since you decided to take your time out and watch my video, I'll give you like a little teaser, like a celebrity. I wrote that piece like, I think it was like over 2 years ago now, and when I reread it, I was like, I don't even know what I wrote, but I'm sure it was great. So when I reread it, I was like, oh, that was awesome. Okay, cool. I did a good job. Great. So I was like, I think this is awesome because I have only deepened my message that I wrote in the piece for the book to kind of cover and expand my whole life. And I really want to talk about that with you, right? I think it's so important, not just as a parent, but as you're going through life every day and every decision you make, right? And I'm going to use my nails as an example, okay? I want you to notice my nails are not done. Before I made this video, I want you to know that drove me crazy. I was like, all right, I know that this piece is going to be promoted forever and ever, amen, for this book, right? So I'm going to make sure to do my hair and wear one of my favorite necklaces and wear my little cute pink sweater and do my makeup just so, because as you can tell, I like to look a certain way when I appear on camera because I'm a performance artist and I got my stuff. But what I did not have time to do, because I just took my polish off yesterday and I was letting my nails breathe and I had this really cute pink gel thing going on. I was like, I don't have time to do my nails, and oh my gosh, everybody's gonna see that my nails are not done. Okay, not like you guys even care, right? But I care, okay, and that matters because it's not perfect. It's not perfect, okay? But here's the thing. I was like, I'm gonna use this as an example for them, all right? I was on a deadline to do this video, right? And to me, I had to balance that. I was like, what is more important, Charity? Stressing yourself out and getting yourself in a tizzy, in a negative emotional state, or just going ahead and making this video and telling yourself that it's going to be okay, and going ahead and using it as a learning moment for the audience, right? And telling them that is a great example in life, right? That when you can't be perfect, how can you look for the silver lining? Like, how can you look for the learning opportunities? How can you train your brain to look for the silver lining every day and every moment? Like, even on the days, like my piece is about yelling at your kid, even on the days that you accidentally yell at your kid and you mess up, and you take deep breaths and you remind yourself, you know what? That's okay. I'm not a horrible mom, and I can take right this moment to start over, right? And we also balance it with not being mediocre, right? Like, just because I didn't do my nails doesn't mean that tomorrow I'm going to look like a hot mess slob. It doesn't mean I'm going to stop doing my makeup and stop doing my nails forever and fall into the oblivion of becoming a slob and not caring anymore. No, I'm going to go ahead and do my nails tomorrow and pick it up where I left it off, right? But anyway, I hope that makes sense. And we're not trying to be perfect, but we care, but we understand that we're never going to get it 100% right all the time, but we're going to balance it. Okay. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys. And I just want to, again, thank you so much for investing your time. And I just want to remind you how amazing you are. And once again, reiterate that you truly are amazing for purchasing this, for investing your time. You're a beautiful person. And remind you that if you weren't amazing and beautiful, you wouldn't have bought this book. I firmly believe that the kind of, I don't know how to phrase this delicately, but amazing, beautiful people are the kind of people who read material like this, who invest in themselves, who invest in their children. And you're the kind of people who make the world a better place. Like, so I just sincerely, I was crying before I made this video, trying to think of how I wanted to say this, and the right words I wanted to impart. But I just truly, I'm thankful for people like you. And I just sincerely want to thank you for even trusting us with your time and your brain, and listening to what we have to say. And one last thing I want to say, this is long, but when you're having a rough day, consider this like your parenting Bible, right? Like, not the actual Bible. That's great too. But when you're having a rough day, take just 2 minutes out for yourself and just pick up a page, pick up one of our submissions, and just remind yourself and just read it and just take a second to recenter yourself. It'll help you. It'll help everything. Okay? Have an instant happy rich day. I really appreciate you. And bye, Glitterbug. Bye.